Welcome to today's discussion on a delicious topic. We will explore Duncan Hines' signature spice cake mix and the amazing role of cinnamon in blood sugar regulation. Cinnamon is more than just a tasty spice. It has been used for centuries for its health benefits. Research shows that cinnamon can help with blood sugar control. This makes it an important ingredient in many recipes, including the Duncan Hines signature spice cake mix. When we think about blood sugar levels, we often think about how our bodies process sugar. Blood sugar is the main sugar found in our blood. It comes from the foods we eat. When we consume carbohydrates, our bodies break them down into glucose. This is what raises our blood sugar levels. Managing blood sugar is crucial for everyone, especially for those with diabetes. High blood sugar can lead to serious health issues. This is where cinnamon comes into play. Studies suggest that cinnamon can improve insulin sensitivity. Insulin is the hormone that helps regulate blood sugar levels. Cinnamon may also slow down the digestion of carbohydrates in the digestive tract. This helps prevent spikes in blood sugar levels after meals. Including cinnamon in your diet can be a simple way to support healthy blood sugar levels. Now, let's talk about how this applies to Duncan Hines' signature spice cake mix. This cake mix is packed with the warm, inviting flavor of cinnamon. It is perfect for creating a delicious dessert that feels indulgent but can also support your health goals. Making a cake with this mix is easy and enjoyable. You just need a few simple ingredients. Once baked, you can enjoy the rich, comforting taste of spice cake. And the best part? You can feel good knowing that cinnamon is working to help regulate your blood sugar. It is important to remember that while cinnamon has benefits, it should be part of a balanced diet. Pairing the cake with healthy options can enhance your overall nutrition. For instance, consider adding some nuts or fresh fruit on the side. This will add extra nutrients and fiber, which are also important for blood sugar control. Also, moderation is key. Enjoying a slice of spice cake as an occasional treat is a delightful way to satisfy your sweet tooth. Just keep in mind the portion sizes. In addition to its blood sugar benefits, cinnamon has other health perks too. It is rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress in the body. Antioxidants are important for overall health and wellness. Cinnamon also has anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues, so having anti-inflammatory foods in your diet is beneficial. When you choose Duncan Hines' signature spice cake mix, you are not just enjoying a tasty dessert, you are also taking advantage of the health benefits that cinnamon brings. It is a win-win. So, next time you bake a cake using this mix, remember the role of cinnamon in supporting your health. You can indulge in a delicious treat while also considering your blood sugar levels. In conclusion, Duncan Hines' signature spice cake mix with its delightful cinnamon flavor is more than just a dessert. It can be a part of a health-conscious lifestyle. Enjoy it as part of a balanced diet. Thank you for joining me today to learn about the wonderful connection between cinnamon and blood sugar regulation. I hope you feel inspired to try Duncan Hines' signature spice cake mix and enjoy its benefits. Appreciate your viewership. Like and subscribe for upcoming videos.